Hello, friends and followers. So I'm still trying to debug this Omni 6, Tec Omni 6, and I've taken off a bunch of wires from the power board here. I'm not quite sure where all those go yet, but now I'm able to apply power and get a boot every time, a clean boot. So something in some of those wires has been corrupting the signals and corrupting the CPU board and crashing it or not allowing it to boot. So for example, I can turn on this little power supply here. I get a clean boot. Can I turn off here too? Clean boot. Can I do an enter reset? Let's see, I need two hands. Hold down the enter key. Let it up. Yep, there's a clean boot. Can I switch bands still? No, that's all. No, it does switch bands. It's just not switching the finals. That's fine. All right, so something's corrupted in one of these wires to wherever it goes, and got to figure that out. However, I'm coming along with a plan here now. Not that I really have a concise plan of what's wrong, but at least now I can boot dependably without worrying about the CPU board or the CPU or the reset line. Apparently it's somewhere else. So the data on the processor's lines was getting corrupted, and I can still control this thing. So yippee yippee do. Turn it on. Yep, so happier days are arriving. Now it's a matter of just plugging these wires and see which one corrupts it. Go from there. So that's my debug process on the Tec Omni 6. This seems to have some properties of an Omni 6 Plus. I'm not sure if it's a converted Plus or not yet, but it might be. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.